What are we doing here?
Skydiving!
You crazy girl.
I am.
Alright, you done this before?
Never.
First time, eh?
Yes.
Let's go and have some fun, shall we?
Awesome.
Woohoo! Alright, you took me back to the pilot tree.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. It ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most.
He said I was in my early 40s with a lot of life before me, when a moment came that stopped me on a dime. I spent most of the next days looking at the x-rays, talking about the options and talking about sweet time. I asked him when it sank in that this might really be the real end. How's it hit you when you get that kind of news? Man, what'd you do? And he said, I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Manchu. And I looked deeper and I spoke sweeter and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. He said I was finally the husband, but most of the time I wasn't. And I became a friend wouldn't like.
Amazing! That was so awesome!
You have a good parachute!
Woo!
Give me 5 right there, girl. Nice job. What the heck, gonna lean back the door, isn't it?
Yes!
Alright, lean forward, let's get these goggles off your face here. Don't need those anymore. Nice job.
We're about to go down, and you know just what to do. With your hands in the
All right, stand up. Here he comes.
Disorienting.
Turn around. Woohoo!
Oh, get your legs up. Thank you so much.
Give me 5 right there, girl. Fantastic.
Thank
Have fun
you.
with that?
Amazing.
Excellent. Okay, look at that sunset once more over there. Woohoo!
Whew.
Well done, Crystal.
Thank you so
We'll
much.
do that again?
Absolutely.
Excellent. We'd like to hear that.
Yes, let's go now.
See you, girl. Good job indeed.
Whew.